This is the moment you would pull him out. Now, probably a bunch of you are like, what do you mean pull him out? Because you probably never heard that. Pulling him out means you've got to hold someone in the pain. You got to bury them in the pain. But once you break them, you don't want to be an asshole and just hold them in there any longer. Actually, it can unwind all of the work you've just done. This energetically, and for some of you that are more spiritually enlightened, you'll have felt that thud. That was it. That's it. You do not need to do anything more. Maybe a little bit of logistics as far as, okay, and in terms of time, do you have the time to do this? Okay, awesome, blah, blah, blah. And then you shift. That was the emotional thud. All right, we've now got the Don meme as well. All right. That is the point that you guys all need to be feeling on your sales calls. Okay. Beautiful work, Don. Amazing.
Josh, can I ask
Where
a
do you
question
feel
on
it?
that?
Of course you can, Harry. Sorry.
All right, so
I
it's fine. The question I was gonna ask, like literally a few minutes ago, was my intuition told me we probably had enough then.
No, you would
But
have
I was
still
gonna
got
ask you when you're like, if you felt the same, but no, you felt like this was the final
this
point.
is the moment. You could I've done this for a while, so it does take a lot of time. It will probably take you, if you did all of your sales calls or the majority of your sales calls right, like this, it
Yeah,
would probably take you about 6 weeks of consistently getting to the moment to then have what's called fingertip feel, where you can just feel it. You're like, okay, that was the moment. But you got
got
to
you.
nail this down for about 6 weeks, and then you just know when you've got them. We've said the phrase before, but we've never had a full call to go through of I've got them. That moment of I've got them is an energetic feeling of like they're just cooked, they're just done, and that was
Mm.
the moment. Now
Could
I'm
you run
glad you
it
brought it
back,
up.
Josh?
Hang on once, yeah, I will. I'm glad you brought it up, Harry. If Don had pulled him out 5 minutes before, the likelihood of an objection based on it being a reasonable price program pretty high. He would have wanted to do it, but when Don
Mm.
says it's 15,000, he'd be like, oh, I don't know. Now that 15,000 is irrelevant. He'll find the money. He
Got
he
you.
he just completely imploded at that point there.
So I think the paradigm shift there for me is like, if you think of it like a threshold, I'm thinking, okay, we've probably just got enough, but you don't want to just be at that threshold, maybe like by interpretation, a little bit to the left, a little bit to the right. You want it so far gone, like you said, he's buried and there is no possibility of any type of objection or excuse because we've maybe taken it a little bit further than I would have anticipated, but you're kind of I think Daniel said, right, it's about bringing that extra log to put on the fire to just make sure the fire is big enough that there's no way they're getting out of it.
Yeah. The best way to think of it, guys, is going deeper and deeper and deeper into getting them into the pain. You go until you can't go any further. Now, what I mean by go any further is there will be a point where if you try and go further, it's going to do this and it's going to come back out. Meaning you've tried to take them so far into pain that they've come out the other side, and they'll come out the other side for one of two reasons. Reason one, reason two. Reason one is they now go into what you would simply call as being numb. Like you've taken them so far and you've tried to go beyond it. It's like they've just gone into a coma. Like they can't make a fucking buying decision after that. So that's number one. Okay. Or number two is they now view you like an asshole. So if you get to as far as you can go and you push, they'll be less, and this is two things, guys. You have to understand this. This is pain plus this is association to the pain. And the reason I clarify that is for this reason, to the pain. If you push further, they'll still be in pain, but they're not going to be associated because they're now numb, or they're not going to be associated because they want to distance themselves from you. They don't want to be around you anymore. They don't want you to be their mentor, their leader, their savior. They don't like you anymore. Okay? So if you push too far, they'll still be in pain, but they're just like the lights are on, but nobody's home anymore. And that's if you keep going too far. And I used to do this in the beginning of my sales career where I'd be on the fucking discovery for 40 minutes, which was actually a long amount of time on a real call. And would be like, they've checked out. They've checked out. Like they're telling you all the right things, but energetically, the lights are on, but nobody's present. And present is the association.
Sorry, Josh, what do you mean by association? Like them taking responsibility of it? Like, or I'm a bit lost there.
Sure. Association means they're actually feeling and experiencing the pain as opposed to talking about the pain or describing the pain. Let me give you an example. If there was a person that was in hospital and they're on a hospital bed, okay, so this is them on the hospital bed, right? They're sat there on their little hospital bed, right? And they're plugged up to a machine. And on the machine, I know there probably isn't a machine that does this, so just follow the analogy. The machine measures pain, okay? Pain of the body. So their body's plugged into this machine and it tells you, so it's like a graph, and it tells you where the pain is, okay? It's not their heartbeat, it's just pain, okay? However, even though their body is in pain, let's imagine that they're either pumped up with morphine, so they can't feel the pain, or they're unconscious. So their body is still in a lot of pain, but they're not aware of the pain because they're unconscious. That's what association means. It doesn't mean that they're not in pain anymore. They're distanced from being aware of it. Does that make sense?
Yeah, so they're not really like actually deeply present and feeling it. They're just talking about it, but their head's really elsewhere. Got it.
Their, their,
Thank
their
you for clearing that
heart,
up.
their heart is elsewhere. Their head
Heart,
is
okay.
talking about the pain. So like, and this happens with a
Right.
lot of prospects. You say, imagine if Don had just asked that question. So imagine if you have to tell, or imagine if you lose this guy that's been with you for 7 years, how would that feel? A lot of prospects, especially if it was done earlier in the call without the other things being done right, would say, oh, that would suck. They're telling you it would suck, but if you don't see their emotions shift, they're not associated to it sucking. They're just telling you logically from their head, oh, that would really suck. Whereas when Don asked that question, you could see the guy's emotions come out. He's like, oh man, that would really suck. Like he started talking louder. He was more animated. You could feel it. He was associated to that pain. How many deals have you already lost this week that you could have closed but didn't because you were out of state? I'm not a fan of sales hacks, but if there was one thing you could do before your next sales call to raise your closing percentage, it's using my patented pre-call checklist. Imagine taking just 60 seconds to read 5 to 7 personalized bullet points on a piece of paper, and as unbelievable as it may sound, puts you into the optimal state to access your highest sales skills on every call. That's the pre-call checklist. I'm going to show you how to create your own. All you need is a piece of paper and to go through the training that I'm going to give you. Thousands of salespeople have used this framework to close more deals, and you can have your own for free. No strings attached in a matter of minutes. Click the link below this video, enter your email, and grab it right now.